What's up, guys? MNC Outdoors back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my new Yamaha Grizzly 450. So I was just ripping it around in the swamp and stuff. And look at it. It is so beautiful. I just washed it too. So yeah, here I'll show you my little trail. So it'll come down here through the yard. Then you will drive down here, loop through there, come back down here, okay, and you'll drive, so you can either go left or right. If you go right, you come through here, but you skip all the fun stuff, and you just come out here. I mean, there's this little mud hole, but it's like really nothing, it's just wet. Or if you go right, let me run back. If you go right from there, you come up to another fork. You could go left, which is a mud pit. And this thing, guys, I should call it the bounty hole. Because when you get stuck, it's not pretty. So I've been ripping it in there. You can see all the tail tracks. Oh my god, I almost just fell. And then you can come up there, or you could just come this way. I mean, I guess you could do a little loop, or you could just keep going straight and back out. But now, or you can just go up all around and just do like a figure eight. Or now, here's what you guys really clicked on the video for. The 450. So, got some pretty nice tires on it. Bought this thing for $4,200. So, yeah. Start her up. Hold on. So flip it on. Hold on, let me go get you guys that good view. Oh, it's a spider. So yeah. Now put the choke on. So yeah, guys, pretty nice. You got a door right there if you ever need it. And then you got your speedometer. This thing's, the clock is fast. Got with your fighter. Has low, high. And when this button's out, alright, if you guys can see this red button right here, focus on the button. So when it's in, like this, that means it's in four-wheel drive. So only when it's in four-wheel drive, though, you can flip this switch over to the left. It'll release that button, and then you press that button in, and diff lock comes on. Alright, and then, so once that button here, let me see how it's like skinny like that? Now it's in two-wheel drive, four-wheel. So, yeah. I'll take it, not for a rip, but I'll take it up the yard and grab my helmet, then I can take it for a rip. It's pretty lit. So we're in park. Let me put my phone down real quick. Wada bing, wada boom. Helmets on, guys. And we're ready. Dad! Dad! And here's the 350 we recently bought. It's a bit smaller, but that one has a tow hitch built into it. So yeah. Now we're going down to the yard. There's the tractor. Alright. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on. Let me put it in park and boom. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching and peace. Bye.